So for this one, we're going to have a look at one of the tools called a Dictate. And a Dictate is very similar to, or can also be commonly known as, speech to text. So we're going to take this same sentence as from a previous activity, but we're going to get you to read it out aloud, and it's going to type in the green box. Now, if this is the first time you've used Dictate or you don't use it a lot, sometimes it may not be perfect. It does take a little bit of time to get used to your voice. If English is a second language, you do have some options to set the language in which you want it to dictate to. Okay, but for most of us, we're probably going to leave it as it is on your default settings. If you're obviously not from Australia, it's going to default to the country that you are in. So it's always probably best just to leave it. So we're going to click here in this green box underneath, and then we're going to click on Dictate. And as soon as we do that, it's just going to start. Then when we're finished, what I'm actually going to do is click on Dictate again, and that will stop the recording or the microphone from recording my voice and typing it out. So let's see how we go. Let's see how accurate I can get it. Sam sat on the sandy shoreside to see the seagulls swoop for snacks. Wonderful. Not too bad. We can see there's a couple of little issues, and actually the very last thing I forgot to do was say full stop. So don't forget, you need to also tell it your grammar and punctuation as you're going. So I want you to have a go at that. Don't forget to say full stop at the end, and we will see how you go. Cheers.